Hi YouTube, Jayce here. I'll be walking you through what I like to call the line sculpting method. This method is what I use to make most of my illustrations before I color them, and this has helped me a ton over the years in my line of work. I'll teach you how to do this in Photoshop, but you can apply this method traditionally with pencil and paper, and it works just as well. Step 1. Take your drawing from something. Look at the reference. This is especially important for beginners because it'll be the foundation for you guys to develop your techniques in the future. Remember this, guys. The things that we draw are more believable to the eye when they come from everyday life. The goal in drawing, after all, is to make the viewer remember something from real life through the drawings you make. Step 2. Draw the shapes of what you're looking at and combine. Okay, so let's draw the outer part, the shapes. Draw what shapes you can see on the reference and connect them to each other. You don't need to make it perfect, don't worry about that too much. Just let the first thought in your mind guide your lines. Focus on the outer side. I mean, look at how goofy these circles are. Don't worry though, it's part of the process. This is where you let loose. I remember someone telling me this. Art is the illusion of detail. This is why we don't have to be 100% accurate. It's about being understandable and clear. We don't need to have robot-like precision to tell a story. We just need people to understand through the pictures we make. Notice that I'm not choosing to trace over the reference. This is so that we could help our brain turn our strokes into muscle memory, so that someday, when we draw things, we would not need references most of the time. I could easily do tracing for this example, but I discourage it. When we trace, we make our brains go autopilot and leave little room to remember the lines you make. Step 3. Refine till you can. This is the part that you should spend the most time on. Don't think too hard on the first two parts. The third part will be the basis for everything. First, we lower the opacity of the layer we drew on. This helps us use the shape as a guide. Next, we try to draw within the shape we made. We put all the details we can remember seeing from the reference into this shape. As I said in the previous step, let loose. It's fine to erase when you need to, or resize everything, or just sculpt it. That's why I call it the sculpting method. Treat it more like a statue, wherein you refine the edges till the inside, towards the inside of the statue, I mean. We're not chasing for perfection, but to be cohesive. You can practice technique, but with a lack of understanding, you won't be able to apply it well. Prioritize making the drawing look close to what you're going for. Once again, as long as it's close, you make progress each time you draw it. Step 4. Practice your lines. Remember to work on your execution even if you're not drawing anything. Take some time to do so and it'll help you grow further. Work on making confident strokes. Start practicing like this. Make 2 points and draw a stroke from one end to another, and don't stop until your stroke reaches the other end. This way you'll hesitate less and be more proud of yourself. This concludes the lesson of this video. Here are the points to remember. Step 1. Base your drawing on a reference. Step 2. Draw basic shapes and combine. Step 3. Refine and detail inside shapes. Step 4. Practice drawing lines. If you take these steps to heart and apply them when you draw anything, I'll guarantee you'll get better and be more confident in your technique and your drawings. Thank you for watching till the end, guys, and I hope this helps you in your journey to being a better artist. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more future videos. This is Jayce, signing out.